enable two-step verification. And if you're facing issue in the two-step verification, I will guide you how you guys can overcome it. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So what you have to do is to go to the setting option, go to the more option, and then go to the setting option in the Roblox, and then go head up account information. So wait till the account information setting boots up, and here you will see that there will be an option for the security right here. And here you guys can simply see where you are logged in right now, and all you have to do is to enable the app authenticator to turn on the two-step verification. For example, here, add an extra layer of protection to your account with two-step verification at login account recovery and highly transactional. You can only enable one of the following option at the time. So I would suggest you guys to go with the Authenticator app. So simply what you have to do is to install the Authenticator, Google Authenticator using your mobile phone, and then follow the prompt as it will prompt you. So it will show you a 6-digit code. So simply go ahead and provide the 6-digit code in the Authenticator app, and that will be it. So that is how you guys can actually turn on the two-step verification on your Roblox account.